So today we'll discuss about the development of pest resistance genetically modified crop. You know, some nematodes are pathogenic, they are found in soil. A nematode Milvidigyne incognitia present in soil attack on the roots of tobacco plant. It absorbs the cell sap of the root and destroy the crop. So how we can protect this crop plant? A novel strategy adopted to protect this crop plant by RNA interference. You know, in every cell, DNA regulates the synthesis of protein by transcription of mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. DNA provide codon to mRNA. mRNA when get bind with the ribosome. tRNA transfer RNA, arrange the amino acid on ribosome according to codon of mRNA, and synthesis of protein occurs. If the mRNA codon is overlapped, suppose here is the mRNA codon and it is overlapped. Suppose here in this page something is written, we can read it. But some other page will be kept here, then the written letter will be overlapped, will be covered, we cannot read it. Similarly, the mRNA which is transcribed by the DNA, if it will be overlapped by its complementary strand of RNA, then the tRNA will not read the codon and protein will not synthesize. This is called as RNA interference. In eukaryotic cell, RNA interference is a defense mechanism to protect themselves from the pathogen. For this process, we have to take such DNA which can transcript both sense and antisense RNA, means its both helix can transcript RNA. Generally, the DNA template strand have 3 to 5 polarity only transcript RNA. During transcription in our previous lecture video, I have discussed about the transcription. You can see there the DNA strand having 3 to 5 polarity is called as template strand that transcript RNA. But here we have to modify this DNA in such a way that its both helix, template and coding helix, can transcript RNA. Means both helix will transcript RNA, means double stranded RNA will produce, and these double stranded RNA are complementary of each other. If such type of gene will be introduced into the host plant cell, then that gene will transcript double stranded RNA, and by the chance nematode will attack on the root and suck the sap, then this double stranded RNA will reach into their tissue in their body cell. When its own DNA will transcript mRNA and complementary RNA will overlap the nematode mRNA and protein synthesis will not occur, then nematode will not survive in the absence of that specific protein. So here we can see about this, how this novel idea develops the development of pest resistance GM crop. A pathogenic nematode, its name is Milvidigyne incognitia. This nematode Milvidigyne incognitia attacks on the root of tobacco crop. On the tobacco crop plant root, this nematode attacks. And nematode, and this is the root of tobacco crop. This attack to suck the cell sap of root and damage the crop. This crop can be protected by one novel strategy that is called as RNAi. RNAi means RNA interference. It is called as RNA interference. RNA interference means interfering the mRNA from synthesis of protein. And you know, the DNA, suppose here is the DNA. DNA contains two strands. Here is 3 to 5 and 5 to 3. And here is this 3 to 5 and here 5 to 3. Generally DNA undergo transcription with the template strand. अब यहाँ पे टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड पर ये क्या बनाएगा? mRNA. यहाँ यह DNA है. दिस इज DNA. दिस इज nematode specific. Nematode specific DNA. This is that regulate the synthesis of specific protein in nematode. This DNA transcript mRNA in 5 to 3 direction. mRNA get bind with the ribosome and according to codon of the mRNA, the tRNA will arrange the amino acid on ribosome, then protein will until or unless if the mRNA will be not translated, then protein will not synthesize. Strategy is the RNA interference. RNA interference means RNA interference means the somehow stop the translation of protein from the codon of mRNA. Means the mRNA has to be checked. So there should be no synthesis of protein. How this mRNA will be checked? Suppose this is the one strand mRNA, and if its complementary copy of RNA will get bind here. If complementary copy of mRNA get bind here, then tRNA will not read the codon. Suppose here, this is the tRNA, this is the tRNA, this tRNA can here contain amino acid and here contain anticodon. It will read the codon. Complementary strand will get bind. Then now this tRNA cannot read the codon of mRNA. Then protein synthesis will not take place. This is called as RNA interference, or it is called as RNA silencing. RNA silencing. How this RNA silencing is possible? Generally, the DNA, only one strand of DNA produce RNA naturally. But suppose we want to make this plant resistance from this nematode. Nematode specific gene is taken here. Nematode specific gene is taken. Now it contains two strands, 3 to 5. This is nematode specific gene. Nematode specific gene. It contains two strands, 3 to 5 and 5 to 3. This is taken. And this is genetically modified in such a way that its both strands can transcript RNA. So this DNA strand transcript RNA here. ये भी transcript करेगा RNA in 5 to direction, और यह भी transcript RNA करेगा. It will also produce RNA in 3 to 5 direction. This is the DNA strand. This is the DNA strand, and genetically modified in such a way it's both strand transcript RNA. So एक strand RNA का यह हो गया, एक strand RNA का यह हो गया, और दूसरा strand RNA का यह हो गया. यह DNA का strand है, यह DNA का strand है, और यह भी किसका strand है? DNA का. यह निम्न. तो अब RNA कैसा हो गया? डबल स्ट्रैंडेड हो जाएगा. अब RNA कैसा हो गया जरा देखिए. यह RNA ये कैसा हो जाएगा? This RNA is 5 to 3 and this is 3 to 5. अब ये कैसा हो जाएगा? ये डबल स्ट्रैंडेड dsRNA. dsRNA means double stranded RNA. If this gene is introduced in crop plant cell, then here this gene will regulate the synthesis of double strand of RNA. Double strand of RNA is present here. If nematode will attack on this, it will suck the cell sap. This protein will not synthesize because the mRNA of the nematode is interfered by the overlapping of complementary. रीड कर सकता न तो इसके मुताबिक एमाइनो एसिड अरेंज करेगा राइबोसोम पे, so protein synthesis will not take place, and in the absence of the specific protein this nematode cannot survive and the plant remain protected. So for this purpose the source of this double stranded RNA may be viral RNA or the genetic mobile elements called transposon, which replicates through RNA intermediate, can be used, and the nematode specific gene modified in such a way which can produce double stranded RNA will introduce with the help of Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is natural genetic engineer. When this gene is added with the Agrobacterium tumefaciens plasmid, that bacterium infect on the tobacco root and introduce this gene into the host tobacco plant cell.